Hey y'all, welcome back to Hey Mom, What's for Dinner? So recently my kids went to a blueberry farm to pick some fresh blueberries, and we have a ton of blueberries left to use and eat up. And since the 4th of July is coming up, I thought, hey, I can make a blueberry cobbler. So let me show you how easy it is to make.
Did you know that blueberries are in season from May through August? So we picked these fresh blueberries and we're gonna turn it into this, a blueberry cobbler. It's really simple and easy to make with just a few ingredients. And I always take shortcuts. This all-purpose baking mix does the job. You're also going to need some butter, about 6 tablespoons of butter, 2/3 cup of milk, and 1 1/4 cup of the baking mix. So let's start off by melting some butter. I'm going to pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds or so until it's melted. I'm going to add the dry ingredients in a separate bowl first. And now I'm going to add the milk to the dry ingredients. It's about 2/3 of a cup, and we're going to whisk that all together. Now I'm going to switch over to a spatula just so it's easier to scrape the bowl. And we're going to add the batter right on top of the melted butter in this 9-inch baking dish. Make sure to spread the batter evenly all the way to the corners. And now it's time to add the blueberries. And as you can see here, I have rinsed and drained and picked the stems off of the blueberries. There's about 3 cups in this bowl, but I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to sprinkle as much as I can right on top. I'm not going to mix them. I'm just spreading them evenly on top. I'll probably end up only using 2 cups of blueberries here. Now it's time to pop it in the oven. I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, so we are going to go to about 42 to 45 minutes depending on your oven. I have 3 little helpers here who have been patiently waiting for a blueberry. They love blueberries. That's Coco, there's Peanut, and this is Cookie. All right, it's been 42 minutes. Let's pull the blueberry cobbler out of the oven. It smells so good and perfectly baked. I'm just gonna set it right here and let it cool for just a minute. I love how you can still see most of the blueberries, and the baking mix has come and bubbled up over some of it. It has this nice marble effect. It's so pretty. All right, I've waited long enough. I can't wait to dig in. So let's get a big scoop and plate it up. I like to top my cobbler with whipped cream, but if you prefer ice cream, go for it. This dish is just too pretty to eat, and it's perfect for your 4th of July dessert. Ah, look who it is, my 14-year-old son. I guess he's gonna take the first bite. Let me know what you think. Now it's my turn for a bite. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please click like and subscribe for more recipe videos. Have a happy 4th of July. Hey!